Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to talk about if I should go all in on Tesla or Palantir and compare these two stocks to each other, and I want to share my thoughts with you. This will be a quick analysis, and if you like this, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future videos. A little bit about me: I am a Swedish real estate developer who is part of building hundreds of units in southern Sweden. And I decided to diversify into the stock market and take you guys on the journey with me. And I have been a technical trader, but I've been quite burned in this market. Burned in the sense that I realized that, okay, technical trading is not enough, and I want to apply different strategies to my portfolio. And I will divide up my portfolio into two, and one part is going to be like a 5-year investment. And I'm very strongly considering putting all of it in Palantir. And if you're just sitting here for the punchline, I'm most probably going to just invest into Palantir because I feel that the amount of upside that there is to Palantir is way more than Tesla. What is needed to change around the stock price in terms of, you know, like how many buyers you need is way easier for Palantir, and this is why I feel that my risk-reward ratio is way better in Palantir. Does it mean Tesla is a bad stock? No, and you don't have to do like I do. You can buy 50-50 Palantir and Tesla, or you know, you can buy other stocks. It's up to you. But I didn't want to keep you hostage, so if you just wanted to stay for this, then that's the point of the video. And for those who want to stay longer, then here's my analysis. Let's go to the chart of Tesla. And basically, I believe Tesla needs no introduction. They are a company that has a lot ahead of them. They are working on the, you know, robotaxis, full self-driving, which would make them pure software revenue, and that they're working on the Tesla bot. And here's my problem. So from a fundamental analysis, the Tesla bot, it's like, it doesn't have any business model. I have no idea how you can put that into DCF, what you can, it's just a cool thing for now. Like it might be nothing, I don't know, probably not. Probably Elon Musk is a guy who will, who does great products, right? But we don't know. Then you have the robotaxi network. The thing is that the stock price is very high for a car manufacturer. And then here come all the bull guys with their, you know, forks and swords and to attack me that Tesla is not a car company. And that's very true. Although when you look at fundamentally on this company, this is Palantir. So this is Tesla. So they have 164 PE, which is very, very high. But again, to a growth company, you can give it a pass. I mean, if you look at Amazon, if they go below 90, they have always been a buy. The last 20 years, by the way, they're below 90 now, I believe. I mean, just look here, their forward PE. So if you count in like how much growth they're going to have next year, it's already almost 1/3 of their PE. So if you're a long-term investor, it's a very easy, you're going to make money on this, right? But my biggest problem is actually how big the market cap is, which is, you know, it was not long ago, it was 1.3 trillion or 1.2 trillion. Now it's down to 800 billion. It's one of the biggest companies on the planet. So I feel, okay, even if I have a DCF that tells me that, okay, with the robotaxis and, you know, like Kathy and Ark and, you know, Tasha Keeney tell me that, okay, it's, what do they say, 83 trillion market? I'm not sure. Don't quote me on this. But the point is that, okay, what's the chance that this company is going to 10x from here? Like, because, you know, at the end of the day, the reason why a stock goes up is because there is more buyers than sellers, and there is more and newer money coming in to buy this stock, right? And I feel that, okay, are you going to make money on this in the next 5 years? Probably. I mean, 99.999. I don't know what would need to happen. Probably if the world collapses, but then it doesn't matter if you make money or not, right? So my point here is that they're very tied to market sentiment. So I feel that because they have become so big now, if you have a bearish market sentiment, the stock is going to be bearish. If there's slow growth on the stock market, this stock is also going to grow slow. So now we look at Palantir. Palantir is actually in such a good spot because I believe they are a misunderstood company. They have a lot of stock-based compensation, which puts their bookkeeping into negative territory. But if you take away the stock-based compensation, and I actually just did a video about their earnings call where the CEO was basically saying how this will normalize and they will be like any other stock market company. So that will go away from their bookkeeping, but they're actually generating free cash flow. So you see that they have no PE rating. They have a forward PE of 43, which is even already now less than Tesla's. The analysts are expecting, and they just reiterated also, that they are expecting to grow 30+% per year up through 2025. And I feel that these are sandbag numbers. I was listening to their earnings call, and there's a chance that they could grow a lot faster than this. If I look at, okay, what could this company become, right? Like, they don't need to become a 2 trillion business for you to make money. Their value is, so if you look at the stock price here, they went from 44 to 11. That's an 80%, 75% cut right there. And I mean, if in the next 5 years they just go to 32 to become a 70 billion company, you 3x your money. That's fantastic. I do feel, based on all the research that I have done on them, that it's way more potential in this company than that. Like on Palantir, I feel that we're beginning to see what Tesla was like in 2013, that there's YouTube channels being around, you know, promoting only this company. There's a lot of retail excitement about this company. And then if you look at the bookkeeping, everything is all good and going in the right direction. And then if you go to the stock price, it's a total disconnect. So from a risk reward, I mean, I actually saw some data now that even if the company, if you would liquidate this company, like you would say like, fuck it, we're closing down, you would still get $7 a share. So how much more can it go down? Your risk reward is insanely good here. So, and it's actually so good that I'm looking at many other companies, but I actually feel like putting all my eggs in this one basket. And the reason why I think this, a lot of people would say that, okay, this is nuts and crazy, and probably it is. But I want to scale my stock portfolio. So I'm going to put what I have now out on the market, which is around 100K. And probably half of it is going to go into Palantir. And I want to add to this position, and then you know, like on this, I'm going to make a new call if I buy more Palantir or if I diversify a little bit. But on my 5-year investment portfolio, I don't want to diversify so much. So out of all the shares that I've looked at, this is by far the best risk-reward ratio. Does it make Tesla a bad stock? Absolutely not. I just feel that this has a way more upside than Tesla with a lot less risk. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I hope you like this analysis. Let me know how much Palantir you own, how much Tesla you own, what are you gonna do with your stocks in 2022, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.